Alright, good morning guys. It's 1st of January 2025. It's a new year. I just crossed the border from Costa Rica to Panama, and now I'm on the no man's land between Costa Rica and Panama. Finally I got the exit stamp from Costa Rica. I paid $10 in cash, and now I'm going to cross the bridge to Panama, and I'm going to pay another, I think, $4. Alright, so if you pay online it's $8, but they didn't give me Wi-Fi, so paid in cash. Right, folks, this big river is the border between Costa Rica and Panama, and as you see there are some people washing the clothes and stuff like that, and the mountains. It looks very quiet, peaceful, but I'm so tired after last night. I didn't sleep yet. Oh, I had a lot of celebrations last night. Alright guys, welcome to my country 120, Panama. I'm in Panama, just past the immigration. Yeah, everything was okay. Okay. Sit aquí. Sentante aquí. Cheers. Salud. Hello folks, and welcome back from Panama. It's my new country number 120. Just arrived in Gaulaca. It's 5 p.m. It took me almost around 10 hours to come here, to get here. So wasted. I didn't sleep last night. We had a lot of fun. We celebrated New Year yesterday.
¿Va para arriba?
Sí.
¿Va para allá?
Sí.
¿Hasta dónde? ¿Mina? ¿La mina? This is machine, okay. This machine, la máquina.
Okay.
Está. Beautiful machine, beautiful machine.
Sí.
Oh. 3 días de estar yo.
3 días tomar
cerveza y trago, todo. 3 días.
For me, 2 days. Por mí, segundo día, no dormir, solo beber. Beber cerveza. Sí.
No, me voy.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Panama is okay? Panama, you happy?
Yeah.
¿Tú feliz? Sí.
Panama is beautiful.
Beautiful. Sí.
¿Eres Ucrania?
Sí.
Ucrania.
Yo soy de Ucrania, sí.
Okay.
3 años antes yo salí de Ucrania.
Okay.
Antes guerra.
Oh.
Y yo salí de Ucrania.
Dentro de un rato ahorita voy a ver eso. Bueno, pues déjelo pues, si se va a comer, que se la coma pues. Dale pues. A ver yo. This is my son. Yeah.
How many? ¿Cuántos hijos?
Dos. Two. Varón, niña. Niña, hombre.
Ah, okay.
Niña, hombre. Dos.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Panama now. It's a new country for me, country number 120. So now I'm in the mountains area in a place called Los Planes, near Gualaca, where I'm staying. So I was invited here by one of the American lady living here through the couch surfing. She invited me here, so I came last night. I didn't record much, I was so tired after a long ride and sleepless night in Costa Rica, in Cahuita, where we celebrated New Year until morning. It was good. It was a lot of fun. So yesterday I did the ride across the border in the morning, and I was kind of wasted all day long. And last night I had a good sleep, 12 hours straight sleep, because night before I didn't sleep at all. So she had a nice big house in very quiet neighborhood, so I could sleep properly. Yeah, so and today we are going on the hike up in the mountains to visit two or three or maybe 4 waterfalls, and I'm with a group of American people, and yeah, we are all together going to the waterfalls, and maybe we're gonna swim as well, and yeah, maybe we'll see something else later on. So I will show you everything as much as possible. That was our first waterfall. It was not far from the place where we started. Oh, nice. Alright, going back. So after visiting first waterfall, we are back to the trail, and well, go. So actually, and also we paid $2 each for the entrance here. Well, it's okay. It's not $20 like in Costa Rica. Well, folks, another waterfall. Another beautiful waterfall. Wow.
We made it!
Yeah. Waterfall, there is one more down there, but it's very steep, very big steps, so we are not going down. After this we'll go back, probably. Alright guys, we are going to a different direction now. So as you see, it's not so difficult, but not so easy actually. Yeah. Alright guys, it's time to finish. This is all our group today. Alright, it's time to go back to the car.
Yago, did you like it?
Yes, thank you so much. Very nice. You?
Oh yeah, because this last week and this week I give it 5 stars.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I got today I got to go swimming.
Oh, me too. I was swimming today. Nice water, refreshing. Beautiful, beautiful nature.
Yeah, I said it's like you start out. I call this my 6-pack. My 6-pack of delight. First was like when we got out, you had the whole vista.
Yes.
Number 1. Then you got four falls. That's 5. When you include the flowers and some of the plants and the mushrooms and the other stuff, you know, along the trail,
Yeah.
that makes 6. There's your 6-pack.
Exactly. Lady just fell down.
At least you didn't get hurt, no? You fell on soft terrain.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go this way.
Now you have to go to the waterfall again.
Up the hill is dry,
I
guys.
will get my
Seriously.
phone
Up
from
the
you.
hill is
Lady
dry.
just fell down.
Go to the waterfall. That's right. I went up the middle and I walked on the rocks. I remember now.
Before you wash it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
My phone,
I got it.
please.
All right, folks. Hello, amigo.
Hello. Hello, my friend.
Hello, amigo. Hello. Okay, we have a man on a horse. So we're just waiting to go back to park in the car, and then we'll go maybe someplace to eat. I don't know. I just want to walk around a little bit just to show the village. Guys, just want to walk a little bit, so then they will pick me up from the road. Just want to show you a little bit of the Panamanian village in the mountains. It's my 2nd day in Panama. Again, everything new, everything a little bit different than in the previous countries, but at least the good point is, comparing to Costa Rica, this country is cheaper. Everything is cheaper, prices are lower. Like yesterday I was buying in the shop, I was buying beer, $1.10 for the beer. It's not possible in Costa Rica. Need to pay at least $2. And food, sausages, I bought sausages for like $1 something. Okay, this is the local school. Centro de Educación en Los Planes. Promundi beneficia. Alright, so I was picking up, so we're going to the main road, still a little bit of the local village, guys. You see a lot of stones, huge stones. Huge stones. Alright folks, it's time to eat and we came here. So I have a rice, beans, all this, it's only $5. And we have this beautiful view, guys. Prices are much better. In Costa Rica you pay for this at least $10. So enjoy guys, enjoy. Alright guys, we are in Central Park.
Fast growing trees.
Oh my god, so tall. So these trees are growing very fast. They're very tall. So it's local park. So the bus is stopping here. So just came to see.
Pantalones, the painting of the pantalones.